Next exercise, question number 1. We want to prove that for the first principle fx equal uh, 10x square is 20x. Now we'll take any point from h distance if x plus distance away from this point x. So then 10, this is x plus square. Now dy by dx is f dash x is limit h tends to 0 f x plus h minus fx over h. So limit h tends to 0 if x plus h means 10 times x plus h square minus fx means 10 square over h. Now let's simplify. X square 2xh plus h square minus 10 square over h. So limit h goes to 0. 10x square plus 2 times 10 20 xh plus 10h square minus 10x square over h. So 10x square 10 square cancel out. So this is going to be limit h tend to 0. 20xh over h times 10h square over h. So this is h to h cancel out, 1h to 1h cancel out. Limit h goes to 0, 20x plus 10h. Now as h goes to 0, 20x plus 10h goes to 20x. Hence answer is 20x. Because h is getting smaller and smaller and it's almost 0. When you put h equals 0, it will 20x. Question number 2. You have a curve in this point 1 and 4. 1 length and 4 height. Curve is y equal x cubed plus 3x. And then there's another point 1 plus delta x. This distance delta x. So this is 1 plus delta x distance. So then if this is 1 plus delta x, what is this height? This height means 1 plus delta x. How do you find y value? That is the height. You have to substitute here. So y equal 1 plus delta x cube plus 3 times 1 plus delta x. So that is the y value. 1 plus delta x 3 times plus 3 times 1 plus delta x. I will rewrite this coordinate here. 1 plus delta x value, y value is this one. So this coordinate. Now how do you write this gradient of this line? So this is A, B. This is B point, A point is 1 and 4. Gradient of AB equal y1 minus y2, 1 plus delta x cube plus 1 plus delta x times 3 minus 4 divided by x1 minus x2. This one. So this is going to be, we have to simplify this one. 1 plus big calculation again. So we have to put binomial expansion to this one. 1 and then 3 delta x and 3 delta x square plus delta x cube plus 3 delta x minus 4 over delta x. 1 to 1 cancel out. So sorry, that's fine. You can see here this is 3 and this is 1. 1 plus 3 4, 4 minus 4 cancel out. So I will cancel like this, and then I will divide by delta x equal. So this is going to be 3. This is 3 delta x. This is delta x square. Then this is going to be 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Delta x plus delta x square. 3. Now we want to reduce. How do we reduce? Instead of h, now what is this one? Delta x. Now we want to send to delta x to 0. Yeah, we'll write like this. So we have to push b to a to get the gradient of a. So how do we push b towards a? By reducing this delta x. Delta x making to 0 to obtain the gradient of a. Uh, let's delta x tends to 0. Then 6 plus 3 delta x plus delta x square tend to 6. Hence gradient at a is 6. Simply to get rid of this one delta x, you have to put this is equal 0. You will get simply. Now first of all find the dy by dx, then dy over dx equals 6x plus 0 plus minus 2 times x minus 3. So dy over dx equal 6x minus 2 over x cube. Uh, at stationary point, dy over dx equals 0. So 6x minus 2 over x cube equals 0. 6x equal 2 over x cube. So 6x4 equal 2. Actually, we don't need to find the stationary point. This is enough. And we want to find some gradient at some points. Gradient at a. So dy by dx when x equal 1, 6 times 1 minus 2 over 1, that is going to be 4. Gradient at b. So dy over dx when x equal 2. So 6 times 2 minus 2 over 2 cube. So this is going to be 12 minus 1 over 4. So 11, 3 over 4. So at point C, dy over dx is when x equal 3. equal 6 times 3 minus 2 over 3 cubed. So 18 minus 2 over 27. So this answer is going to be 1725 over 27. Question number 4. There's a curve, and in this point gradient is given 16. So dy by dx is given 16. So I want to know this point. So first of all, let's find dy by dx. dy by dx is 14x1 3x square. Now but dy by dx equal 16. So then we'll find uh, 16 equal 14x minus 3x square. So 3x square minus 14x plus 16 equal 0. So we can break this one, 3x minus 8 and x minus 2 equals 0. So 3x minus 8 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. So x equal 8 over 3 or x equal 2. Now we have 2 points, and on both points dy by dx equal 0. So what are those points? So one is 2 and other one is 8 over 3. So 8 over 3. You can find those values when you substitute to here what is the y value if you need the point. Y equal x cube minus 11x plus 1 with the gradient 1. Where the gradient 1, find the corresponding. So that's a curve, and at that particular point dy by dx is 1. So we want to find that x value, which x may be 2, 3. Let's see. So dy over dx, first of all find 3x square minus 11. Now so that so dy over dx equal 1 when 3x square minus 11 equal 1. So those are the values. So 3x square equal 12, x square equal 4, x equal plus or minus 2. So now 3x square equal 12, divide by both sides, x square equal 4, then x square equal 4 to root the x square root, so this is plus or minus 2. So now there are two values when x equal to dy by dx1, and when x equal minus 2 dy over dx equal 1. Now we need the relevant y values. Now one is minus 2 and other one is 2. So y equal x cube minus 11x plus 1. So when y equal to 2 cube 11, 2 plus 1. So 8 minus 22 plus 1, 9 minus 22, so minus 13. When x equal to, so x equal minus 2, y equal minus 2 cube, 11 times minus 2 plus 1. The answer is 15. So this is 15. So on those points, the gradient is 1. Number 6, if x is given x plus 9 over x are x is a member of real numbers, but x is not equal to 0 because it's not exist. So if x equal x plus 9 x minus 1, so f dash x equal 1 plus 9 minus 1 x minus 2, which is f dash x equal 1 minus 9 over x square. So now we want to solve this one. B f dash x equals 0 we have to solve. So 1 minus 9 x square equals 0, x square equal 9, and x equal plus or minus 3. So 1 equal 9 x square, cross multiply, x square equal 9, x square equal plus or minus 3 when you take the square root. Y equal this one, so y equal 3x half minus 4 times x minus half. We want to find dy by dx. dy by dx equal 3 half x minus half minus 4 minus half x minus 3 over 2 minus half minus 1 in x in minus 1. So this is 3 over 2 x minus half, then this is plus 4 over 2 divide x minus 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 square root x plus 2 over uh, square root x to the power 3. Here this is 2 x over 3 over 2. Then 2 x half a times 3. So 2x half a means square root x to the power 3. That's how I came to here. So dy by dx equal 12 half x minus half minus 3 over 2x half. This is 1.5. When you take 1 out, half are remaining. So this is going to be 6 square root x over 3 over 2 square root x dy over dx. I think I'm going to stay with this one. So it is so dy over dx is, this is going to be 6x minus half. Now 3 over 2 x half. I need the answer dy over dx equal 3 over 2 x minus half. This is o minus x. Now I can take 3 out, there is no problem. But I need a 2 from the denominator. There is no denominator, so I'll put 2 and multiply by 2. So then I made a denominator. Now x minus half is here I can take, but there is no x minus half. So I'll write x minus half divide x minus half. So I made the stuff I want to take it out. There was no x minus half to factorize, so I multiply and divide. Still same 1. 2 divided by 2 multiplied divided by 2 is still the same 1. Now I can take 3 here and 2 and x minus half. So then here 2 is remaining, and when I this 2 and when I take 3 out of here, 3 times 2, 2 is remaining. 2 times 2, and this is 3 and 2 is gone. X half over x minus half is remaining. So 3 over 2 x minus half. This is 4 x minus half go to up. X half times x half plus 1 is x. Now we want to find the coordinate of the place where dy by dx equal 0. So this is 3 over 2 x minus half x minus 4 equals 0. X minus 4 equals 0. X equal 4. So x equal 4. The y value is going to be when x equal 4, y 12 4 square root times 4 the square root cube. So this is 12 times 2 minus, this is 2 to the power 3, 8. So 24 minus 8, 16. So the point is 4, 16. So at 4, 16, dy by dx equal 0. If we want to see that this is minimum or maximum, double differentiation or the second the other test. So we'll expand this one. X3 over 2 times x half plus 1, then minus 1 over times, actually x it is minus half plus 1. So this is x3 over 2 times x minus half plus x3 over 2 minus x minus half minus 1. So when you add, this is 1.5, take away half, 1. So x, and this is x3 over 2 and x minus half minus 1. So this is y. Now we want to find dy by dx. So dy by dx equal 1 plus 3 over 2x half, then minus half x minus 3 over 2. This is become 0. Now we want to find, okay, I will simplify this one. 1 plus 3 over the square root x plus 1 over 2x square root x to the power 3. So when x equal 4, dy over dx, when x equal 4, 1 plus 3, 2 square root 4 plus 1 over 2 square root 4 cube. So this is 1 plus 3 times 2 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 8. So this is 1 plus 3 over 4 plus 16. So basically 16 over 16, 12 over 16, 1 over 16. So 29 over 16 if I do the calculation. There's an error. This is x half. This square root should be on top. So this is square root 4 on top. So this 2 is on top. So, and anything else? So this is 1 plus 3 plus 1 over 16. 4 plus 1 over 16. So this is going to be uh, 1 over 16. Question number 10. Y equal to x cube. So this is x half and x square divided by x square 1 and 2x over x square means 2x minus 1. So then dy by dx is this is 6x square plus half x minus half plus 0 plus 2 times minus 1 x minus 2. So 6x square 1 over 2 square root x minus 2 over x square. Question number 11. There's a curve. This curve is this one. It's going through, passes through 1, 2. And so we want to find ABC. So we need three equation. Right? So this is 1, 2. And at 2, 1, this is dy by dx equals 0. Okay. Since curve go through 1, 2, it should satisfy the equation y equal ax square plus bx plus c. It means left and right should be equal. So y value is 2, a x equal 1 square, b equal 1, b times 1 and c. So we have one relationship. And this is going also 2 also as well. Since curve go through 2, 1. So what is the relationship now? 1 equal 2 square a, 4a plus 2b plus c. This is the second one. We need three unknowns, three equation. Let's take the other one. Dy by dx is, I'm going to get this one, 2ax plus b. So at x equal to dy over dx equals 0. Then this is 2ax. Then dy, what is dy by dx? 2ax plus b is 0 when x equal to, so we'll substitute 2a2 plus b, 2x plus b, yeah, equals 0 when, so then 4a plus b equals 0. This is the third relationship. So this is the sense. Three unknowns, I need three equations. Now 4a plus b. When I minus those two, I can take a equation with a and b. So which one minus? 2 minus 1. So this is 1 minus 2 and 4a minus a, 2b minus b and c minus c. So this is minus 1, 3a plus b. 3a plus b equal minus 1. So this is 5. Actually, I'll take this one. Now I can see b. So 3 minus 4, 4a minus 3a equals 0 minus minus 1. B to B cancel out. A equal 1. When a equal 1, which one we go? Yeah, from 4, when a equal 1, b equal minus 4. Right? Then this one. From 1, 2 equal a plus b plus c. 2 equal a is 1, b is minus 4, and c. So 2 equal minus 3 plus c, c equal 5. Here since curve go through 2, 1, I just substitute here. So y value is 1 and x value is 2 is square of 4a plus 2b plus